Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for iMyFone coupon codes for 2023 to unlock some serious discounts, you just landed on the right video. Stick with me till the end because I'm not only going to share exclusive promo codes, but also show you how to grab up to 65% off on iMyFone's most popular software tools. Now, for those who don't know, iMyFone is a trusted name in data recovery, device management, and utility tools for both Windows and Mac. Whether you're trying to recover deleted files, unlock your phone, or clean up storage, iMyFone has you covered. But why pay full price, right? Let's dive straight into the deals. Here are some fresh iMyFone coupon codes you can try out at checkout. IMY65 off. Flat 65% discount on select software bundles. Save 55 IMY. Get 55% off any premium plan. Try 40 IMY. Enjoy 40% off on your first purchase. Black 25 IMY. A special 25% off for seasonal sales. iMyFone 15. Use this for an extra 15% off site-wide. Bundle 60% IMY. Save up to 60% when purchasing multiple products together. And here's a little tip. If one code doesn't work, don't worry. Try another. iMyFone often rotates their discounts during special occasions like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or even New Year sales. Now, here's the smart way to make sure you never miss a deal. Check iMyFone's official website. They regularly update their deals page. Look out for seasonal promotions. These often offer the highest discounts. Use coupon aggregators and deal sites, but always double check on the official site to confirm. And my personal favorite, use a discount tracker or browser extension that automatically applies the best coupon for you at checkout. So, the next time you're about to buy iMyFone's data recovery, lock remover, or any of their amazing tools, make sure you try one of these codes. Why pay more when savings are literally one click away? Before you go, let me know in the comments which iMyFone product you're planning to grab, and I'll see if I can hook you up with even more exclusive deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on future money-saving tips. That's it for today. Happy saving, and I'll catch you in the next one.